Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add an envelope in Goodbudget. To add a new envelope in Goodbudget, first of all, open up your Goodbudget application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in as well and make sure that you're inside the envelope section located at the bottom left. Now, click on Edit on the top left and at the bottom click on Add Envelope. Enter the envelope name, for example, cell phone, entertainment, gas, giving, etc. and then input the amount you'd like to allocate to this envelope. You can also group it by tapping group and choosing the group options. And then under frequency, choose whether this is a monthly envelope or annual based on your budgeting style. After you are done, click on Save at the top right. And finally, click on Save once again in the top right corner to add the new envelope. You've successfully added a new envelope to your Goodbudget app. Stay consistent with tracking and watch your finances stay organized and stress-free. That is how you can easily add an envelope in Goodbudget. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.